Hey guys, welcome back to TMB Designs, and today we are going to be doing a little speed cleaning in my kitchen. First things first, we're going to set up my tablet to view my fabulous YouTube sisters as I prepare to clean and put things away. I just finished a grocery shopping haul, and so now I am going to put all of the items away and proceed on with my cleaning and organizing. You see me here taking down my OXO storage containers. I just like to convert some of my food items into those containers just to give me a more cohesive look in my cabinets, as well as make it easy to organize and store everything. So there I am doing my rice, my potatoes, beans, different things like that, my dry goods, so that I can know for sure when I'm running low on certain items and they are all properly stored in a similar or more cohesive manner. If you guys would like to see a video on how I have everything stored, just leave me a comment in the comment section below so I would know that that's some content that you guys want to see. Now that everything is put away, I am going to begin with my dishwater. You guys know I like extremely hot dishwater, and I'm going to get that running so I can do my wipe down on my cabinets and counters. And you guys, the cleaner, of course, is my palm olive. It is the aloe and citrus scent. Love it for two reasons. Number one, it smells amazing. Number two, it's in my favorite color, of course. And so there I am, just adding that to it. And I cannot have dishwater without my infamous Clorox, you guys. Just a dab will do you, just to kind of help disinfect and clean things up around the kitchen area. Now I am putting dishes away here, and sometimes if it's not a lot of dishes, I just opt to go ahead and hand wash the small amount that I have, just to keep the dishwasher from running for hours. It's just, to me, more energy efficient. Just knock it out, washing my hand, and be done with it. So I'm putting away what was clean from the night before, and then I will use the empty dishwasher to go ahead and store the dishes that I am going to wash by hand. That just makes it easier for me and saves me a little money on the energy bill. You guys, I am such a creature of habit that even after I run my dishwasher water, I have to wipe everything down before I start to clean any dishes. It's just my routine. And no matter how much I try, I can't break that system. So I want to know from you guys, are you creatures of habit when it comes to cleaning your home? Do you have just strategic ways that you do things, or do you just dive in and do whatever whenever? For me, I have a system, and not that I intentionally have a system. It's just what I do, and I notice that I do it the same way every time, without it just being set in stone that this is the right or wrong way to do it. It's just my preference. I'd rather wipe everything down while the dishwater is somewhat clean. Just go ahead and wipe and disinfect the cabinets and knobs and all that good stuff. And then I proceed on to washing the dishes themselves. Also, if there's something in there that has a little bit of build up on it, it gives it time to soak and soften up while I wipe everything down. So I guess it makes sense, but sometimes I wonder why I'm such a creature of habit. Moving on to the other side, you guys. I am not one to use my microwave to defrost, but listening to my love, I tried it. We forgot to take out meat the night before, so I wanted to thaw out the meat really quickly. You guys, I made a total mess. I would never do that again. I'm gonna stick to my old-fashioned way of just placing it in water and letting it thaw out. I had oil and grease everywhere. So this is why I'm doing this in-depth cleaning in my microwave, because normally I don't let it build up to have to do any extensive cleaning. I clean my microwave every time I clean my kitchen inside and out. So I never have a lot of buildup, but for whatever reason, I attempted to do the defrost thing and it looked like a burger exploded in the microwave, literally. So this is what I'm doing here with the hot water, trying to get some of this grease out of the microwave. Now moving on to the dishes, you guys. As I am starting to wash the dishes, I am finding out to my utter joy and surprise that two of my favorite YouTubers, Be My Guest with Denise and the LG Queen, have collabed on some beautiful tablescapes, you guys. I don't know if you are familiar with these ladies' channels, but they are amazing. And they are, in my opinion, some of the YouTube queens. They do beautiful work. Their homes are absolutely gorgeous. So I love, love, love watching YouTube videos and catching up and supporting my YouTube sisters and brothers while I am cleaning. So if you're not familiar with them, check them out. Their work is absolutely impeccable. So here I am, just cleaning dishes and enjoying the beauty of their creations as I do so. sink is clean. And now I am coming to the end of my cleaning for this space. Once you see the broom, you know that that means mission accomplished. I have conquered another space in my home. I pray that you all have found this video to be motivational as well as inspirational, because I am inspired and I love when I can walk into my kitchen and see a nice, clean space. Absolutely loving it. It's refreshing. I have my wax burning and it smells amazing. Now, if you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our TMB family. We are a community of positivity and creativity full of lifestyle ideas to help you make your house more like a home. To all of my faithful, tried and true, I want you to know that I so appreciate you. Thank you so much for your continued support. I look forward to bringing you more content such as what you see here. So again, hit that subscribe button. Once you do, go ahead and connect with me on my other social media sites. I can be found active on TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.